Once productivity software was the sole province of the office, the place where you went to work. Now, of course, everyone needs to have some kind of word processing, presentation or spreadsheet capability in the home, either for home working, student coursework or, God forbid, fun. Now there is OnlyOffice Personal, an online source of tools for your productivity needs, whether at home or in the office, or both. So what is OnlyOffice Personal and why should you abandon your current solution and dive in? OnlyOffice Personal is an online productivity suite with a fabulous full-featured document editor, spreadsheet editor and presentation editor. You also have access to a form creator for type-in forms, and also a PDF reader and converter. All the parts of the suite load and save perfect Microsoft file types, so inter-office file sharing should not be a problem. To complement the online suite, there are also desktop versions for almost every operating system, Windows, Mac, and literally every variety of Linux I can think of. OnlyOffice also offers muscular and supported licenses for enterprise and developers, but let's concentrate our minds on the free-to-use and accessible suite of OnlyOffice Personal. OnlyOffice Personal is a very clean and fresh interface to a very sturdy and powerful suite of personal productivity programs. They are all available on any browser, on any computer, and once you sign in, all your documents and files are available to you from the cloud. This means you can type on one machine at one location and then go home and open all the same files on your other machine. When it first opens, you're presented with your dashboard and you get an idea of some of the sample documents you can create. You've got a sample docx file, an XLSX file, an audio MP3 file, docx sample form template, a sample type-in form and a sample presentation PPTX. On the left hand side you've got a standard menu where you can create a new document, new spreadsheet, new presentation form template or a folder if you want to be organised. And you can upload or import folders or files from your desktop machine. Clicking New makes a new document on the dashboard list and then you can rename it. By then pressing return, it will open as a document. Along the top of all document types in the home menu, you've got lots of different styles you can apply to any selected text, which makes it easier to change formats on the fly. There is also a range of interesting plugins you can use to insert special media into documents, a Google Translate plugin, one for YouTube to insert YouTube videos into a document, presumably destined to be exported as a PDF, an OCR plugin, and even Mendeley, which is an academic reference manager for the student or professor in your home. There's also a photo editor plugin and a plugin for connection to Jitsi, which is a video conferencing tool. I can confirm it does read all of the Microsoft file formats, both read and write. This is very, very handy, especially if you're using the software to exchange information or documents with other people. If you've used any kind of productivity software from Microsoft or others, all the controls and menu positions will be very familiar to you. They're all exactly where you'd expect them to be. Every module in the suite exports a range of really useful formats, all the standard Microsoft ones like docx, XLSX, text and RTF, etc., but there are also a few surprises. All the open document formats are present too, for example, like ODT and ODS. PDF is, of course, really useful, but also in the document editor there's an exporter for EPUB, great as a first step to sending out your writing as an ebook. EPUB is a good format to load into ebook formatting software, for example. All things considered, I really like OnlyOffice Personal. I'm loving all the new features in the recent update, like the O-Forms gallery containing lots of great starting points for your form designs. Also the new dark theme, which is very modern and I love it. It's also very easy on the eyes late at night. The new languages they added are nice for everyone else, but makes no difference to me as I speak one and only have a smattering of a few others. It's a great feature, meaning that whatever language you speak, your character set and special characters are catered for. Something I'm very hot on as a working writer is hotkeys and shortcuts, and they've added some to switch between views and modules as well, which is brilliant. Okay, summing up, OnlyOffice Personal is terrific online productivity suite and the price is right because it's free. All you have to do is go to the homepage and sign up, and within minutes you'll be creating your own documents. Okay, that's it for now. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you next time.